Mastering the C1 Business Hire Writing Exam. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the writing section of the C1 Business Hire, Beck Hire, Cambridge English Exam. The ability to communicate effectively in writing is paramount in the business world, and this section will test just that. So, if you're looking to master this, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The writing section of the C1 Business Hire exam is designed to evaluate your skills in writing different types of business texts, emails, reports, and letters. Given real-world business situations, you'll be expected to produce clear, detailed texts appropriate to your audience and purpose. Many candidates make the mistake of not clearly addressing the requirements of the task. Here are a few tips. Read the prompt carefully. Make sure you understand the task and what's expected of you. Stay on topic. It's easy to stray away, especially when you feel passionately about a subject, but keep your writing relevant. Be concise. While it's essential to provide details, ensure your writing is clear and to the point. Proofread. Simple grammar and spelling mistakes can cost you marks. One of the best ways to prepare is by practicing. Here are some exercises you can try. 1. Email exercise. Imagine you're the manager of a team and need to inform them about an upcoming training session. Write an email detailing the date, time, and agenda. 2. Report exercise. Pretend you've been asked to assess the benefits of remote working for your company. Write a short report presenting your findings. 3. Letter exercise. Envision you're writing to a supplier to complain about a delay in delivery. Write a formal letter expressing your concerns and asking for an explanation. Let's put your skills to the test with a sample question. You have been tasked with writing a proposal to your company's board about introducing flexible work hours. List the advantages, possible challenges, and your recommendations. Remember, format it appropriately and keep it concise. That wraps up our deep dive into the writing section of the C1 Business Hire, Beck Hire, Cambridge English Exam. With regular practice and keeping these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to acing this section. Keep writing, keep refining, and remember, every great writer was once a beginner. All the best!